What's going on, guys? Joel back with you for another video here on the Snap-on Tool Review. Today I'm going to show you the proper way how to use a lock removal tool. Let's do it. Alright, as I said, we're going to show you how to use the lock removal tool. This one, I have a Blue Point one, so this is kind of like a master universal set. You may have seen them before. I'm sure you probably have. Some of you may have used them. But the problem is, and the trick is, not to use an impact wrench on this thing. You will fuck them up and they will never come off, or you'll get them off and then you only have so many uses out of them. So I broke a lock. It's fucked. Someone put this on too tight. Don't have another wheel lock for it. This is an off-brand vehicle. It's not a Hyundai, so we don't have the master lock sets. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to do it. So we're going to get you in closer and show you exactly how to do this thing perfect every time. Okay, first things first, you have to find the right one, the right size, and I think I already know it's this one right here. This part number is LSR2503. This does come in the kit. So anyway, it is a double-sided socket. It's kind of like a twist socket, I guess you would call it. So we're going to put this on, we're going to hammer it. And the best way, no impact gun, just good amount of pressure. And there you have it. Perfect every time. You can then put your socket in the vise. Couple of whacks, the thing's all good to go, and on to your next one with minimal damage of the spline socket. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video on how to use the wheel lock removal tool. I will leave a link in the description to Snap-on's page with this product in it, and possibly maybe some Amazon links to a set that's really similar and not so expensive. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.